Hi guys, this is my tutorial for the two amazing dominatrix. This might be long actually. So you need this cup with inside of it is water. Look at this, inside is water. It might be lower quality because the camera is a little bit blurry, so I apologize for that. So you have these like sub tube, the top tube, and got these kind of rings, and I'm missing one. Still okay because okay, wait, we have three. So we have, let's dip this into the water. And by the way, this is by Kids Labs Science Magic. It absorbs the water. So wait a second, guys. So I did now did it. So this is the magic diver. So because it dives the water into it. And there you go. You have the water inside because the up and down movement of the suction tube is controlled by the air bubble trapped inside the tube. When the bottle is being squeezed,
I always expect for the worst para alam ko kung ano.
The pressure inside of the bottle increases, causing the air bubble to contract. Its buoyancy is decreased and causes the suction tube to submerge when the squeeze is released. The air bubble expands again and its buoyancy is increased, making the suction tube surface. Troubleshooting: if your suction tube does not submerge, there is probably too much air inside the suction tube and the buoyancy is too high. Suck in more water. So that means you gotta have more like water inside the. You gotta suck it in more water. So.
Sorry na para naramdaman nila na hindi ko lang.
And replace something again because the ring fell out. The next one is with paper clips, 4 paper clips. Let's put it inside the water. And this is like the U-shaped magnet thingy. It still works. It works. Let's drop it inside. So wait for a moment. You see it's there. Ooh, it sticks still inside if it's inside the water. So that's why. It's because It's because since the clips have been magnetized by the U-shaped magnet before the show, they have in fact become a temporary magnet. When they are left free floating on the water, their movements are affected by the Earth's natural water. Magnetic field. Thus they always achieve an equilibrium in the north-south direction. They are acting like a compass. If you have a compass at home, verify that it points to the same direction. When another clip is placed nearby, the magnetized clip is attracted to the one-shaped clip, causing it to follow its movement. So like it still sticks underwater. I don't know how it gets it, but yeah, kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I think it's kind of cool. So we're gonna absorb some water here because we don't need the water. Just put them there in the sink. Don't need those water, extra water. And also, I think you can do it with the bowls too because they can stick too. So we're gonna put them inside too. So they still stick. So, but sometimes when there is your paper clips, they don't stick because sometimes. Oh, wait, what? They are magnetized. Wait. They're magnetic balls. What? They're magnetic balls when they're in the water. How does that even happen? I didn't know there were magnetic balls like that when it were in that one time. Again, these paper clips, and again, that is the tutorial for the two amazing tricks with water. And that's all. And goodbye, guys. See you in the next video.